When is the economy going to recover? Here's a question that keeps coming up and we keep getting asked. And the question is this: when is the economy going to recover? I feel like it's important to look at the facts. The American economy, it's like someone just hit the pause button. But it's very different than 2008. In 2008, the crash came on quickly and we had to rebuild the housing and the mortgage market. It was like a tsunami came in and wiped out the entire housing market. And now we are at a halt, but eventually we will be going back to work. So it's a different type of recovery. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley are calling for a rapid V-shaped type of recovery. John Burns Consulting, which is a major consulting firm in the real estate industry, has studied past pandemics, and they state historical analysis showed us that pandemics are usually V-shaped, sharp recessions that recover quickly to provide little damage to home prices. And some very cutting-edge search engine analysis by our information management teams showed us that the current slowdown is playing out the same way so far. And also, Harvard Business Review states it's worth looking back at history to place the potential impact path of COVID-19 empirically. In fact, V-shapes monopolize the empirical landscape of prior shocks, including epidemics such as SARS, known as the 1968 H3N2 Hong Kong flu, or the 1958 H2N2 known as the Asian flu, and the 1918 Spanish flu. So in past pandemics, we saw V-shaped patterns. So yes, it's a crazy, wild ride right now. Everyone has been delayed and put on pause. So experts are anticipating once the pandemic restrictions are lifted and people go back to work and still need and want to buy, the housing market will go back to normal. Hey, I'm not just giving you my opinion, I'm stating what experts are saying, and I thought it could be of service to you. Feel free to reach out to me anytime, John Eric Williams Real Estate, with any questions or concerns that you may have, and I'm always here to help.